What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at my one trade on the NASDAQ 100. Today, I took one trade at around 11, close to 11:30, but this is still the 11:15 candle. What I was seeing was like the gap was about to form. I entered the trade with the top part of the gap as my level of stop loss. That was my stop loss. So it was the top part of the gap. Yep, that was the stop loss, and then enter to the downside. As soon as I saw it move around 4 times my risk, I just took the profit, right? So you'll see that in this trade here. And let's mark it out on the chart here. So where's my tool? Okay. So on the 11:15 candle, let's find that. 11:15. So that was this one. I entered to this one, to the downside. I used this candle. I was using this candle as the top level of the range. And then when this candle started to form, or no, this one started to push down and it didn't come back and touch this range, it was basically a good entry. And I could have actually held this trade a bit longer from what we're seeing here. So I entered this trade at 15,038.3. Well, and it's funny, it actually hit the target that I was aiming for yesterday, huh? That's funny. That's very funny. And I actually closed this trade on the 12 o'clock candle. So that was this one. Closer to the bottom. So at 14,995.9 for a total profit of 42.40. And what I was seeing during the day was that we had a big reversal. So it looked like we were having strength at this level. So I decided to just take it. I didn't want it to kind of reverse and take back all of the profits, right? But what I was seeing during the day, and since we have a lot of time, I can actually bring it back. So this is when I entered the trade. You see, this is definitely where I entered. If I skip forward just a little bit, let's say I entered here. Price never came back to close above here. And then I entered very close to the opening of the next candle. So I could kind of tell where the candle was gonna close. And then if the candle had came back and reversed and hit me out there, would have been fine. It wouldn't have been like a huge loss, right? I had a tight stop loss here. You can see at that wick, and that's basically where I entered to the downside. I want to give just a shout out to somebody who commented on my YouTube video. This is another YouTuber, and then they kind of were explaining the strategy a bit more to me, and I did ask for some recommendations. So somebody said fair value gap is fire. I use it every day. One thing I would add is you can also look to take a trade at the consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. That's basically a fancy way to say 50% mark of the fair value gap. Blessings. So respect. These are the comments I'm looking for because I'm always looking to get better, right? And this was actually, I would say this could be the 50% mark. No, 50% would have been closer to the middle here, but I was actually trying to see the other top side of the gap being formed, and then if it was invalidated with the next candle, I would have been fine with that because I wouldn't have assumed a lot of risk, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. Just a nice short video for today, and it looks like we're going to be trending down on the market. If you had watched the video I did on Friday, I really spotted that the market is about to take a turn to the downside, but this is the time when we can just start buying and scooping up shares and all of that, right? So I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.